In this video, I'm going to show you how to build two super useful 12-volt circuits using the IRFZ44N MOSFET without any microcontroller or PCB. First, a super simple latching touch switch, and then an automatic temperature-controlled fan switch. Let's jump right into the first circuit. For the touch switch, you only need four main components: an IRFZ44N N-channel MOSFET, two 1N4007 diodes, a 12-volt bulb, and a 12-volt DC power supply. First, let's look at the MOSFET pins: gate, drain, and source. Connect the source pin directly to the negative ground of your power supply. Next, connect one wire of your 12-volt bulb to the positive supply, and the other wire to the drain pin. Now for the touch setup. Connect the anode of the first diode to the gate, and its cathode to the on touchpad. For the second diode, connect its anode to the gate as well, and its cathode to the off touchpad. Let's test it. Touch the on pad along with the positive power line, and the lamp turns on and stays on. Touch the off pad along with the ground line, and it turns off instantly. Simple, solid state, and works every single time. If you enjoyed this first circuit, please hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel for more practical electronics builds. Now, let's move on to the second circuit, an automatic temperature-controlled fan switch using an NTC thermistor.